Today let's learn about X-Bevel. X-Bevel is constituted by 2 volts bevel, which means 2 diagonal cutting. The cutting path resembles the letter X. For cutting X-Bevels, need to set outer and inner, and set angle 1 and angle 2. Or you could set top width and top height to cutting X-Bevels. Let's see in software. Draw a rectangle. Set X-Bevels. Select toolpath type and toolpath section params. Let's set a symmetrical X-Bevel, the height equals half thickness of material, and both sides width same. You could see the top surface with B toolpath is coinciding with the bottom surface. And the top surface with the toolpath is coinciding with B bottom surface. You also could set a different width for both sides. You could change bevel angle to reach that. Now you could see the ABS toolpath top and bottom surfaces. The dotted line in the middle represents the drawing dimensions, that is, the distance between the 2 intersecting edges of the X-Bevel. Cutting sequence is from BA, you could select according to the drawings.